Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another haul video. I could not stay away from the Dollar Tree. Obviously it was only a week or two, so I went to the one a little farther from the house, and I lost my mind in there because I actually got lots of things that I have either passed by, never seen, I don't know, but I picked up a lot of cool things for a home, for my DIY craft supply. I refilled a little bit, and just in general I'm like, wow, have this been here before? But anyway, this is what we'll be doing today. I will show you everything I picked up at my Dollar Tree, and if this is something you are interested in and would like to see, please continue watching. All right, let's start with, I picked up some napkins, and I do not want to use them as the napkins. I like the design. I actually used one that I bought in Ukraine. As you can see, this is a napkin wrap on my vase box. So I am into butterflies lately, so I saw this napkins and I thought, you know what, I can do some trash to treasure and create some beautiful craft with these napkins. So this was it. I'm going to be throwing it on the floor. I made a space. Then I saw this folders, and I'm not going to be using them as a folders. I like the design. Let me show you. See, I like the color. That could be some really cool thing. Then again, butterflies. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? It could be like a craft for, or you can use it as a folder if you need $1, come on, and flowers like that. So I really liked it. So I picked up, I think there's three in each pack, so I got one of that. And then this, where I would almost lost my mind. I think I have seen it before, like the book area. I always pass by because I'm thinking, whatever's in there, you know. But I was walking by, and which one is it? Hold on, let me show you. This book caught my attention because I don't know how long we've been at home already, but I'm kind of losing track of time. So, and I'm feeling like I am poofing up. You know what I mean? I'm in the kitchen, I'm eating. I'm passing by the kitchen, I'm eating. And so on. I'm eating. So I'm like, okay, I gotta stop this because size 2 soon is gonna be size 6. So I saw this book. I picked it up, and oh my God, it has so many cool recipes. And when I looked at it, this book originally was $18.99, and it's $1. And it says it is 7-day jumpstart, unprocess your diet with super easy recipe, lose up to 5 to 7 pounds in the first week. So we just signed up with Hello Fresh, I think. So I am picking the calorie smart recipes, but we're only getting 3 recipes a week. And I'm thinking the other 2, I might try this. So this is book number 1. Sorry for the noise, I'm dropping it on the floor. I have a space for it. Then I saw this book, and it's called The Clever Cookbook. Get ahead strategy and time-saving tips for stress-free home cooking. Isn't it cool? Look at this. It is originally was retail for $21.99. So look at this. The fur, when I was flipping through, I'm like, I'll eat that. Then anything open, I'll eat that. And there's the soup. I like tomato basil soup. So I'm like, wow. Here's the steak. Looks like no, it's chicken. So chicken. Anyway, there's book number 2. 2 more books. $1, literally $1. Then Lookbook Cookbook with Jessica Milan, founder of the blog Lookbook Cookbook. Simple, delicious, gluten-free, and vegan dishes for fashion-loving foodies. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, $19.99, $1. So let's just open a couple of pages so we can see what is this. California wrap. And then something else, strawberry cream pancakes. Come on. Yeah, I went nutty with the cookbooks. So in the last book that I picked up, it is Easy as Pie Pops, small in sizes and huge on flavor and fun. So it looks like a pastry book, which I probably don't need because I look like a pastry myself now. So I probably need to stay away from pastry, but I thought, you know, when I skinny up, I can go back to eating pastries. So anyway, those, and this book was $19.99, $1. Come on. So those are, now I'm gonna be in that aisle. I need that bookshelf for my new books. So then I was walking by the dishes and I saw this and I'm like, okay, I really like the design and I like the shape of it. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but in the cart. Then I got this, and what does it says it is? Cutting board. And why I got it, I want some, it has a little legs in here. I got it for my glue gun because every time I'm using it, I use my cutting board because I don't really want it, put it on those little legs because it's so uncomfortable. So I thought this will be perfect to sit my glue gun on it, since it is, you know, you can clean it up really easy. Or when I do my foundation, I can mix it on this plate as well because I do mix a couple of foundations, trying to get rid of them. Anyway, so then I got 2 more plates. They are plastic, but they're fairly big. This one is like a silver, and this one is, looks gold. So some of my, I was actually looking when I was doing some of my project and I couldn't find anything in my stash. So this is new addition to my stash. Now, let's start with, I picked up a couple of those. As I told you always, when I go, no matter what I buy, I get a couple of cubes, a couple of round ones, or those weird shaped ones. So, because I use them a lot, and I don't like to reuse them because they have holes if I use it for flowers and so on. You know what it is. So I got a couple of those. Then I saw this and I thought it was so cute. I picked it up. I thinking on redoing this saying, but now it says fresh eggs daily, and it's kind of a cute farmhouse decoration. I would like to use a different stencil, which I am working on getting some stencils. So that, then I was walking by in, as you can tell, there's some tropical decoration in the background, and they had a whole wall of, like, I guess the Hawaiian style layout. So I got 2 of those because I kind of wanted to make a wreath, you know, in like aloha style. I did one in the tropical vibe. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the cards above so you can check it out. But I kind of wanted a, like a mixture of this, and I thought these 2 colors would be perfect together, so I can undo this necklace and do something else with that. So that was that. Then I was looking for specific flowers and I couldn't find them, but at the bottom of, you know, where under the flower beds where they have those flowers sticking in, they have this. It's like, was a whole box of this, and it says Greenery Bouquet, and it's kind of like, it's really looks, I can't even explain, like it's fuzzy. So I got 2 of this and 2 of this, and I no clue what I'm gonna be using it, but you never know where you need to insert your greenery. So then in the school supplies, I'm telling you, I don't know what I was doing before at the Dollar Tree. I was only in the, I guess, scraps and nothing else. I needed a while ago, and I'm like, I was walking by and I'm like, awesome. So I picked it up. It's a cup full of, well, not full, it's like a quarter of it, paper clips. And I have a ton of paper clips, and I always need them work related and for DIYs to clip my art to hold it together. So I picked that up, and then I picked up the fly swatter, but I wanted this mainly. I wanted this flower. So I looked at it, and it looks like it can easily come off. So I'm gonna get it off right now and keep this and give this to my son, because he's definitely afraid of flies. So we got a couple of those at home. So that's that. Then I got some Spanish moss, because I have not seen this before. I know they either were out, I know they sell it, but I didn't see them before, so I picked up that. Then I got some floral moss, and again some reindeer moss. So I got a couple of each for later, so I don't run out of stock. So this is my kickstart that I showed you. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on the floor so it won't take that much space. So then I didn't really pick up a lot of floral things, but I really like this onion grass, and it is molecule, whatever this says. So I like how the flowers, well, it's actually not flowers, it's actually butterflies. Wow, cool. So this actually butterflies, they're huge. So I picked up one of those, and this one is a Greenery Bouquet, because I need it when I am creating something in like a little pots to fill the spaces. You know, this would be perfect. So then we're getting close. So I went and saw these boxes, and I couldn't pass. So they had one of those, and it was kind of in a, you know, where they have gift bags and wrapping papers. So I don't know why I didn't see them before, but I didn't, and this time they had like a bunch of them out, so it really stood up for me. So I got one of those. Then I got this one, and I can use it as a container for something to stash in there. And then I got 2 of this, and they actually had different size. So I might go back, because it is a pretty great quality for $1, and I might go back and get different sizes, because they have taller and the smaller. So I got 2 medium ones, because I was thinking, I know what I want to do with this, but I haven't thought about the other bigger one. So then I picked up a couple of ribbons, and they were, I don't know what it is, burlap. Oh, it's a burlap, and one is green and one is pink, and they are 9 feet long. So let me show you. Okay. So I got 2 of this, and I got one of the purple one that looks like that. You never have enough ribbons. It's kind of like a floral wire. I'm always pick that up and, I don't know, and not use it. Find something else to use it. So then I got a couple of this fashion jams, and I wanted to get a different size, but they only have this white one, and it actually came with the glue. And same for this one. Okay, we're almost finished. The last couple of items, they had lots of new scents, well, maybe new for me, I don't know, of the air freshener, and this one was in Hawaiian, and I don't know, I liked it. So I picked that up, and it's really cute with all those bubbles. And I had one, and it was a pumpkin, and it smelled pretty long time. So I got that. Then I picked up, I really like this. It's an antibacterial dish soap, and it's from Palmolive. And I really like it because it's a perfect size for me, because I can take it, and mine one already getting kind of shaggy because I've been refilling the bottle. So I was walking by and at the Walmart, and they don't have this kind of this size either. My Walmart was just out, but I saw it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, perfect. So I picked that up, and I was surprised that it was at the Dollar Tree. I really like this, the Lime Away to clean the bathroom. This thing works, so I'm really hoping this is not a knockoff, because I have never bought anything like that at the Dollar Tree. Usually it's just crafts I'm going for, but this time I went kind of all over the place. So I picked that up, and I got actually some coffee filters that I would like to try, and there's 150 of them. And then my son really likes, even though he is 11, he still likes to use these bowls with the straws. So for a cereal, so ours starting to get nasty, so I got 2 of the new bowls, and this one I got because it had flamingos. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and the last item, I picked it up for myself. It looks like a little clutch, but it is what it says. It says sticky notes, and you open it, and it has kind of like this. Hold on, so I show you upside down. Yeah, this way. So it kind of have this side and this. So I needed it by my computer, because sometimes I want to write something, and I don't really want to write it in my notebook because then it's messing up my style. So I saw this and I thought, okay, this would be perfect to sit on my desk. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoy this all over the place haul, not only the craft supplies, but kind of home and organizing things in the school area, and all of this. But that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.